The DEB package has been downloaded and the files and folders that compose it have been extracted. There is one more step before LibreOffice can be installed, however. The terminal needs to be pointed at the DEBS folder that was covered in the previous section. If you are watching this video on Vimeo, the extraction video is in the same playlist as this video. The first step is to launch the terminal. This video is being demonstrated in Ubuntu 18.04. Simply click Show Applications and then start typing Terminal in the search field. Other operating systems may look different, but the terminal application can most likely also easily be accessed in them. Double-click the terminal icon to launch it. Now that the terminal is open, type the following command: cd space. Then start typing the path for the DEBS folder. In the video in the previous section, I extracted the files to the Documents folder, so I would type Documents. Next type /. Now enter the name of the LibreOffice folder. This is a long complicated name, so it would be better to copy it. Go to the folder where it is located. Right-click on it to reveal a menu. In the menu, copy seems like the obvious choice. But it is not the one you want because it will give you a full system path, not just the folder name. Instead, choose Rename. This will highlight the name under the folder icon. However, instead of changing the name, copy it. There are several ways to do this. I hold down the Control key on my keyboard, then press C. This copies the name to the clipboard. Back in the terminal, click the Edit menu. Then click Paste. The name is now inserted after the first /. Type another /. Then type DEBS in all caps. Press the Return or Enter key on your keyboard. The next step is to enter the installation command. This is covered in the video in the next section.